Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video. I think my lens is just a little bit dirty, so let's go ahead and give that a little wipe action with my mint sweater. You know, gotta support the YouTubers. So it's starting to rain. I'll put my hood up, and what I'm here to do right now in my 2010 Honda CRV, right? That's Chester the Adventure Doggo. What we're gonna do right now is replace the cabin filter of this car. Got my cabin filter spray cleaner thing, got my cabin air filter, right? Part number Charlie Apple Frank 1781 1738. See if we can do this right here. Hang on a minute. Take out my sturf and more sturf. That. Drop this down. Can you all see that? And ultra low quality, right? So we're gonna go ahead and loosen these clips here. I'll show you. Hang on. All right, I'll show you right here. You just gotta loosen the clip there, I think. And that should come out. And you just gotta loosen the clip there, and this should slide right out. Sees what I can do. There, I know. Real quick. Guessing. Oh yeah, just gotta squeeze, pull, squeeze, right? Boom, there you go. So this here cabin filter is probably, I don't know, what's my car at? Let's find out. I am at, where are we at? Static. We're at 148, 280, like I-280. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop this out. So you can see, dirty, right? Take it out, remove it, just like so. Boom, that's garbage. And we're gonna go ahead and grab the new filter. Try to do this one-handed. Oh, it's in plastic. So fresh and so clean. Don't worry, I'm gonna edit this video later. Try to edit this video later so I can do this one-handed. Nope, can't do it. Do this one-handed. Go gadget strong hands. Alright, now you do want to pay attention to the markings on the cabin filter. It says airflow, see, up, down, or down, up, right? So you want to put your cabin filter with the arrows orientated in the upwards direction. Boom, slide it in. Okay, make sure it sits flush on all four sides, which it is. And what we'll do right here is just spray it. Probably wanted to do this outside the car, but that's okay too. Okay. Spray it. There. Just had to spray some of these vents, you know. Wouldn't hurt. Okay. Whoop. Try to flip it over really quick. Good old spray. Maybe I'm doing this wrong. Maybe I'm doing this right. I'm really just guessing my way. Gonna be almost hotboxing this car with the windows up because it is raining. And all we gotta do is shoot this little fella back in there. Just like that. Oh, airflow. So that's another thing to note. It actually does tell you which way the air goes. So use that to orientate the filter in the right way. So we've got to go ahead and flip this upside down this way. No problem. Then we're going to go ahead and slide it back in. Slide it back. There, click. That's it. Good there, you're good there. Now you can go ahead and put your stuff back in your car. Then of course you want to just go ahead and toss this one in the trash. Peep this little trooper right here. This guy slipping and sliding. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure I was fishtailing trying to get onto 46 just now. Alright. All-wheel drive, yo.